guys, this is a quick video on how to change all the interior lights and some of the trunk ones to LED bulbs. First one we're going to do are these bad boys. I've actually already done these, but I'm going to show you how to get the plastic pieces off. So what we're going to do, we're going to get a small screwdriver. I had to fiddle around and try a couple different types. I have this little Stanley set that I use for smaller things. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put the screwdriver up in this section here. And you're going to, nope, not going to do that. I try a bigger one here. I can't remember which one I used. Okay, there we go. So I actually filmed that for you to show you these things are kind of a pain. Most of the other ones around the car have similar clips. Okay, so I actually already changed this one, but I'm going to show you the type of LEDs I got. Now, I got these on eBay. They were about $8 for a 10-pack of them. I've had pretty good luck with these in the past. I've used them on multiple cars. They've held up. If you get some of the cheap ones from China, they don't always work. Just a heads up on that. Okay, these are what they look like. This end here is what you put in. And this is the bulb. So they go in like that. And these ones are super bright. I mean, they're awesome. Okay. Alright, I'm going to show you how to do the side doors here. I already took this off. But there's two areas here where you put the screwdriver. And you're going to push down. It's going to come off. I'll try to show you this on camera. Hopefully it doesn't take me 40 tries. Well, that was super easy. So I'm just going to pop that right back in. That one's done. Okay, so these are the ones in the rear. You can kind of get in the middle towards the side and just push that way. Try not to scratch the plastic, and they'll come right out. So this one I have pre-removed. I'm going to show you how to put the new ones in. So again, this side here is going to go in. So if you can, I'm going to have to get the okay, so you can see in there those little metal things in the middle. You're going to put the bulb in between them. Alright, so these are super bright, they're pretty sweet. Okay, we're going to put our plastic covering back on. Don't mind my rusted license plate holes, and that might be another video. So I want to change out these. These take the same type of bulbs as far as I know. I'm going to attempt to do it, and I'll let you know how it works. You probably can get brighter ones because these are actually the reverse lights. I'm going to see how these work. I did order these and I have them. I might make a video later on that. you actually have to order this entire housing here. You can't just order the bulbs. So kind of stinks. They're about 10 bucks. Alright, so you're going to want to take off your cloth covering. It's just pop clips. I'm not going to film that for you. Plenty of videos on how to do that. But this is what we want here. So you're going to grab the back here. That's where the clip is. You're going to pull that out. And what you're going to do is you're just going to turn this until it comes out. Alright, so we're going to put it back in. So try to line what you're going to want to do is line these tabs here on the side with the holes that are there. And then you're going to turn to the right to lock it in, and you're going to put your plug back in. And I'm going to test these right now just to make sure these will work. Alright, so that's the LED and that's the OEM. I'll have a short clip at the end showing all these at night so you can see how bright these really are. And then we're going to repeat the same process for the other side. And I'm also going to be putting an LED bulb in here. This is the trunk light. I'll show you how to do that here in a second. Don't mind all the crap in my trunk. I come prepared. Okay, so this light here. So there's actually two pop clips that I already took off, and you can, which allows you to get the trunk liner down here. Probably not going to be able to see this, but on the left side there you can see a little indentation. If you put a screwdriver in there and just slightly push towards your right, it will come down. I'll show you what it looks like when I get it out. Alright, so here it is. You can see there's this little part right here, and that's what I pressed in. See, it's kind of like a spring mechanism. So this is our bulb. It's the same bulbs as the ones I've been putting in. We're going to change that out for an LED. And I almost forgot. You can put these same bulbs in these overhead mirror lights here. These you can just kind of get a screwdriver in here, and these just come right out. So same bulbs. Alright guys, as promised, this is what they look like at night. So the place is lit up like freaking nuts. There's that one, and I will show you the reverse lights. Alright, so you're probably not supposed to put it in reverse when you don't have the car engine actually on, but for the sake of YouTube, here you go guys. Appreciate you watching, like and subscribe.